Is artificial intelligence stealing your job, or could it be the key to your next career breakthrough? Watch this video till the end to find out. This is a question that many of us have asked ourselves as we navigate the complex landscape of the modern job market. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rising at an unprecedented pace. In every industry, from healthcare to finance, from the arts to engineering, AI is transforming the way we work and in the process reshaping job roles and career paths. It's easy to see this rapid evolution as a threat. After all, machines are becoming more capable, even outperforming humans in tasks that once seemed exclusively ours. But let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Throughout history, every major technological advancement has initially been perceived as a threat to jobs, only to eventually create new roles that we could not have previously imagined. The advent of electricity, the internet, and now AI all follow this trend. The rise of AI is not just about machines taking over tasks, it's about the fusion of human and machine, working together in ways that amplify our capacities. It's about automation, handling repetitive tasks, freeing up time for us to focus on creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of our work, the areas where we humans truly shine. So instead of viewing AI as a job stealer, let's see it as a career enhancer. Let's consider how AI can augment our abilities, making us better at what we do. This shift in perspective opens a world of opportunities. It's time to embrace the rise of AI and see it as a catalyst for career growth. We can leverage this technology to become more efficient, innovative, and valuable in our roles. And as AI continues to evolve, so too will the opportunities it presents. Just think about it. In the future, we might not be asking ourselves how we can compete with AI, but rather how we can collaborate with it, how we can use this powerful tool to solve complex problems, create groundbreaking innovations, and drive progress in our fields. So the question isn't, will AI take my job, but rather, how can I leverage AI to enhance my career? Firstly, grasp the current landscape of AI in the job market. As you embark on this journey, it's crucial to understand where AI is making its mark. This means researching industries and roles that are being transformed by AI. From healthcare to finance, from marketing to manufacturing, AI is reshaping the way we work across sectors. Now you might be wondering, where do I start? Well, a good first step is to connect with professionals in AI-related fields. Platforms like LinkedIn or industry events can be goldmines of insights. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and learn from their experiences. Remember, every industry has its unique language, trends, and challenges. By immersing yourself in these environments, you'll start to speak the language, understand the trends, and anticipate the challenges. Knowledge is power. With the right information, you can navigate the AI-driven job market with confidence. Seconds. Next, equip yourself with AI-relevant skills. In this era of rapid technological progress, understanding AI and machine learning is no longer optional, it's essential. And the good news, you don't need to be a tech wizard to start. There are countless online courses and workshops focused on AI and machine learning, designed for beginners and experts alike. These platforms provide an accessible way to delve into the world of AI, with real-world examples and practical applications. Now, let's talk about coding and data analysis. These skills are the bedrock of AI and machine learning. To build these skills, consider engaging in hands-on projects and challenges. They offer a fantastic way to apply theoretical knowledge in a practical setting. The more you practice, the better your understanding. Remember, learning AI isn't just about understanding algorithms, it's about problem-solving and critical thinking. With these skills, you not only survive in an AI-driven world, but thrive. In a rapidly evolving field like AI, lifelong learning is not an option, it's a necessity. As the world around us constantly shifts, it's crucial to stay on top of the latest developments and trends. One way to do this is by setting aside time each week for learning and professional development. This could involve reading industry blogs, engaging in online courses, or even attending webinars to sharpen your knowledge. But learning doesn't just happen in isolation. It's also about the connections you make and the communities you belong to. Joining AI-related communities and forums can provide you with a platform to connect with other learners and professionals. These spaces are treasure troves where you can share resources, exchange ideas, and even find inspiration for your next big project. Lifelong learning is about growth and adaptability. It's about embracing change, not fearing it. Remember, the more you learn, the more valuable you become in an AI-driven job market. Now let's talk about adaptability and collaboration. In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, being adaptable is more than a handy trait, it's a necessity. The key to adaptability is staying informed about emerging technologies and industry trends. You see, by keeping an eye on the horizon, you can anticipate future shifts in the job market and position yourself to ride the wave rather than being swept by it. So how do you stay informed? You can subscribe to AI-focused newsletters, follow industry leaders on social media, or attend webinars and conferences. These platforms not only keep you updated on the latest advancements, but also provide opportunities to connect with professionals from varied industries. Networking is an invaluable tool for exploring potential career paths and opportunities outside your current field. Remember, every conversation is a chance to learn something new. Now, let's move on to collaboration. Today, AI isn't just a fancy tool to impress clients or a buzzword to throw around in meetings. It's a teammate, ready to help you streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more complex and creative aspects of your work. For instance, AI can take care of scheduling meetings, sorting emails, or even drafting reports while you brainstorm the next big idea. But how do you begin collaborating with AI? Start by experimenting. Try out different AI-powered tools and software and see how they fit into your workflow. Stay updated on advancements in AI technology and be open to incorporating them into your work. Remember, the goal is not to replace humans with AI, but to have them work together, each contributing their unique strengths. So, let's recap. To adapt and collaborate with AI, you need to stay informed about AI trends, network with diverse professionals, and experiment with AI tools in your work. And always remember, AI is not your competitor, it's your collaborator. While technical skills are important, never underestimate the power of human skills and guidance. As we navigate through the constantly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, the value of human skills becomes more pronounced. These are the skills that machines can't replicate, the qualities that make us uniquely human. Empathy, active listening, and creativity top this list. Empathy is the understanding and sharing of others' feelings. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes, and it's a skill that's highly valued in any workplace. When you practice empathy, you're able to build stronger relationships with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders, fostering a supportive and collaborative work environment. Active listening, on the other hand, is about being fully engaged and attentive when someone else is speaking. It's more than just hearing the words, it's understanding the message and responding thoughtfully. This skill not only improves communication, but also promotes mutual respect and understanding. Then there's creativity, a skill that's all about thinking outside the box and coming up with innovative solutions. You can cultivate your creativity through activities like brainstorming, problem-solving exercises, and exploring new hobbies or interests outside of work. This skill is particularly valuable in an AI-driven world, where innovative thinking can lead to groundbreaking advancements. But as important as these skills are, they're not always easy to master. That's where mentorship and guidance come in. Reach out to professionals in your network or industry associations to inquire about mentorship opportunities or informational interviews. These mentors can provide invaluable insights, advice, and feedback that can significantly influence your career development. Actively seek feedback and incorporate it into your plans. Remember, feedback is not criticism, it's a tool for growth and improvement. It's an opportunity to learn from others' experiences and perspectives to refine your skills and strategies. In an AI-driven world, your uniquely human skills and the guidance you receive can set you apart. So focus on cultivating these skills and seeking mentorship. They might just be your secret weapons for success in the AI era. In an AI-driven world, your uniquely human skills and the guidance you receive can set you apart. Finally, let's talk about resilience and personal branding. In the face of rapid technological changes, resilience is your secret weapon. It's about practicing mindfulness, managing stress, and cultivating a strong support network. Remember, it's okay to lean on friends, family, and colleagues when times get tough. They can offer encouragement, perspective, and maybe even a few laughs along the way. Now, let's tackle personal branding. In this digital age, your online presence serves as your professional handshake. A strong personal brand sets you apart in an AI-driven job market. Start by giving your LinkedIn profile a makeover. Highlight your AI-related skills, accomplishments, and interests, and don't be shy about engaging with industry professionals. Consider developing a portfolio or personal website to showcase your AI projects and thought leadership. With resilience and a strong personal brand, you can turn AI-driven challenges into opportunities. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which ideas you'll apply in your life, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.